Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
Are you looking for a great tasting glass of tap water? Well, you can definitely achieve that without the funky odors, the heavy metals. At least that's how I feel with this Waterdrop TSA 8-layer under the sink water filter system. For me, really having nice tasting water encourages me and my whole family to drink more water. One thing I appreciate is that it was easy to put together. This is a simple installation with a sticker helping me know where to drill, and it's also space saving, so it's not sitting underneath the sink, it's hanging up on the side, allowing me more room and organization. This is a perfect water filter with no dripping, no leaking. All the fittings came with it, and because the instructions were pretty simple, it was so quick to install with a push-in installation right with the filter. It also came with stickers so I can know when to change each of these filters for easy use. This really makes a huge difference, and one thing we all enjoy is great water.
We love it, but that's just our point of view.